In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up loyalty program on Square. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to customers over here on the left, and you want to click on where it says loyalty, and then from here, you want to go to overview. Now, if you're doing this for the first time here, you'll basically be able to get started. So click on get started top right, and then over here, you can customize your program. So of course, you can specify if you want customers to earn points or stars. So of course, you could do points, stars, or custom. You could go ahead and of course name this. I'm just gonna go and use points over here, and I'm gonna click on next. Now step 2 over here is gonna be to select a program type. So you have a suggested one, and then you have a bunch of different ones. Here, the suggested one is gonna be the amount spent. So every time the customer spends $1, they're gonna get 1 point. Of course, you can change this. I'm going to change this into $10 over here. So every single time they spend $10, they get 1 point, and of course the expiration can be also set. I'm gonna put it as never. You could do visit based, item based, or category based as well. You can read what these things do, but I'm just going to use this one for now. Then you want to click on next again to go to the third step, and then over here you can select the reward type. So you have like a discount on entire sale, discount on item in specific categories, discount on a specific item or more items, or even free items. So you can select whatever you want. I'm gonna go with the suggested one again, which is of course discount on entire sale, which usually works good. And the discount amount here for me is not gonna be a dollar amount, it's gonna be a 20%. Okay, now over here you can do a maximum discount of $100, or of course whatever. I'm gonna do 100, and then here points needed to earn this reward is going to be, I'm just gonna do a 10. Okay, so customers need to spend at least $100 to earn this reward. You could do it custom as well if you wanna. And then down here is your reward display, so you can select how you want to display. I'm just gonna do a 20% off entire sale up to $100 off. So I'm gonna click on create a new reward if I wanted to create a new one, or if that's the only one you want, I'm just gonna click on the next button, and there we go. You can then basically review this. So if everything looks good, location, the reward, program type, and program customization, of course, you can go and click on launch program. But if it doesn't, if you want to edit things, click on the edit button and you're basically good to go. You can change whatever you want, come back and click on launch program. Now, whenever you do this, as you can see, there we go. It says that, of course, it's basically enabled loyalty program, and that's basically all you have to do to set this up. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.